Hi, Evan. Happy birthday.
Hi, Evan. Happy birthday.
Let's sing happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, dear Evan. Happy birthday to you. Happy, happy, happy. We love you, Evan. We just wanted to say hi. Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
To JJ and Kai.
It's JJ and Kai.
That's us.
That's us.
Hope you have a really good birthday.
I hope you have a good birthday.
We love you, and we love Mia and Felipe and Ollie.
Yeah.
Hello to everybody.
Hello to everybody.
Want to say anything else? Oh, we're sending you a birthday card, Evan. This is your birthday card.
Yeah.
See? It's Spider-Man.
Spider-Man.
And we wrote in it to you. And we wrote, here's your birthday card. And we wrote in it to you. We wrote, happy birthday, Evan. Love Grandma, JJ, Art, and Kai. Hope you have a great birthday. Hope to see you soon, too. Love you very much, Evan, JJ, and Kai. And there's your card. If you want to get it in the camera. There. There's Spidey. Okay. Then I also sent you the DVD of this little video. There it is. You're gonna watch it.
Is this Spider-Man video?
No, this is the video we're making right now. There it is. All magic trick. Have a great. You want to tell them anything else?
Have a bubble in your mouth.
Okay, bye for now. Bye, everybody.
Bye, everybody.